The ergonomics of work have been positively changed to a level that I have not seen in this profession. It allows for the safest, most efficient way of actually performing our job as a work platform. The RV Leatherback is taking us into the next century as far as us being able to do our work safely.
So another advantage of the boat is it only has a 2-foot draft. So that allows us to, number one, get to buoys that are in water too shallow for the Rachel Carson, but also it allows us to get in and out of our satellite docks in Bay of Honda basically on any tide, whereas we used to require at least 1 foot 2 over mean lower low to get in and out of that basin. So there would be times where, when working off the Rachel Carson, we couldn't even get off the dock because of the tide. It would be a beautiful day out, perfect weather conditions, but the tide would not allow us to get underway and get any work done. So we would lose a day, 2, sometimes a whole week of operational days on the water, and that won't happen anymore with this boat.
Imagine a line of moorings extending from Biscayne Bay to west of Key West, along the entire reef line track, over 100 and something miles of reef, managed by a team of 6 divers and 2 boats, and a total number of moorings equivalent to maybe, say, around 800. And those 2 teams working together 365 days a year, 10 hours a day, to make sure that that system is safe and intact and available for public use at all times.
Our pressure washer and our hydraulic tool power pack basically are integrated into the machinery below deck now. So versus having to carry just a standard DeWalt pressure washer on deck that runs off gasoline, this allows us for it to be quieter on deck while we're doing those kinds of operations. We don't have to carry gasoline or worry about the exhaust, so it's safer.
The first time I heard of a sighting of the leatherback sea turtle was from a crew off of the Tortugas about 12 years ago or 11 years ago. And so I thought it was a wonderful testament to what the National Marine Sanctuary has done. And so I suggested that into the competition.
Were you a little nervous when the students were voting?
Not really, because I have faith that, that whatever name they chose was going to be appropriate and was going to be perfect. And I was very delighted when I heard they chose Leatherback.